Hey, I'm Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got another one of these Hart small parts organizers. Now you may have seen my other review on the one just like this but smaller. I didn't really need this, but I do have something I can use it for. Stay tuned. I do appreciate being with us today. Here is the Hart 22-inch cantilever toolbox. See right here, it has the Hart on the name on the front. Hart right here on the side. On the angle right here. Got two clasps closing the top. Here's this side, the bottom. Nice, strong, heavy-duty plastic. Whoops, hit the camera there. Sorry about that. Heavy-duty plastic. Open these up. Here we go. It's got 9 of the smaller compartments, 4 larger. Now these are changeable. You can put them anywhere you want to. Pretty cool feature. Big empty compartment right here for putting whatever you need there. You'll see these on the lid right here. You'll see these little bump outs right here. These are to hold these into place during transport so they don't move back and forth. Pretty nice feature. On the compartments themselves, they are molded plastic, pretty sturdy. You'll see it has this little raised part right here. That is to fit into these. These are raised also, so they don't slip. So that's a great feature there. Let's see, let's get these back in here. These smaller ones are outside to outside, 2 1/4 inches, 3 3/4 inches, and 2 inches deep. So these are going to be 2 inches deep. This little divider right here, you can move that out so you can have a larger compartment or 2 smaller ones. 3 1/8 by 6 7/8. So pretty nice tool here. Pretty nice toolbox. Open up here and you can see the cantilever action. Here's the interior. The interior is 18 1/2 inches by, let's see here, 9 1/2 by 6 1/2 inches deep. Approximate on all those sizes. Nice heavy-duty steel hinges right here, or locks right here. Hinges on the back are plastic. Molded plastic grip handle right here. Very well built toolbox. But look at this. I got another one just like it. Sold by Home Depot. Husky brand. Exactly the same. Let me lock this up. You'll turn on the side, you'll see it looks exactly the same except for the color. Exactly the same. So Walmart also sells not only the Hart, but a Hyper Tough brand. Exactly the same also, but it has red bends. Other than that, everything good. Everything's good on here. I'm sure that they're made by one company and just has different names on it. So this one right here, I keep a lot of video accessories in it. Got a couple of remote controls and odds and ends stuff. Down here I keep coax cables and reflected tape, just odds and ends stuff I'll use for my video recording. I don't remember, I think I paid like $29 for these at Home Depot. But you can go to Walmart and get the exact same one, just different color, for under $25. These are a great thing to have around your shop. Many, many, many different uses for these things. I encourage you to go check these out. In fact, I have another one of these with the Home Depot brand that I keep a lot of my Dremel accessories in. So, like I said, you get many, many, many different uses for these things. My name's Carl. I do appreciate you being with us today.